Welcome to Jazz Time. Today we're going to be reviewing a Rolex Datejust II 116333 Champagne Diamond Dial. So we're going to go through a review and show you a few things about this watch. I'm going to start with the bracelet. It has an oyster bracelet. It has gold going down the center. It's a two-tone with brushed steel on the side. Helps keep it robust. As you see from this clasp, it also has a safety oyster clasp. It folds in and clips in just like that. This is the new style. And it also has what's called the super case. You'll notice that the edges of this case are rounded. I'll show you from the profile. And again here. Now what you'll notice is probably this bezel, which is what my finger is moving around. Now this bezel is actually a custom diamond bezel. And this is what the bezel originally looks like. And what we do is we pull it off like this, and we take it and place it on like that. And that makes it look a lot nicer with this bezel. You also notice here on your right hand side is the dial. Now the dial is just that. It's a plate, metal plate that we take off and put on. So we've modified this watch from the regular bezel and the regular dial to this diamond bezel diamond dial combination. Now Rolex actually doesn't make this, at least as of 2016, this combination. They do make it with the diamond dial but not the diamond bezel. This bezel is a 3-carat diamond bezel. So if you like it in this kind of configuration, you think you might want to see some more like this, take a look at jazztime.com. I'm going to go ahead and try it on my wrist for you so you guys can see this at home. And there it is. That's the Rolex Datejust 116333 with a custom diamond bezel diamond dial. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button. Check us out at jazztime.com. That's JAZTIME. If you have something to say, leave it in the comment section below. We like to know. Check us out at jazztime.com. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. We'll see you at jazztime.com.